In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a FaceTime video call using an iPhone with iOS 17 or later. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and that you're on the home screen where you should see all your apps neatly laid out. Look for the green icon that reads FaceTime, give it a gentle tap to open the app. Once you're inside the FaceTime app, you'll notice various options and a simple user interface designed to make calling easy and straightforward. To start a new call, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labelled New FaceTime. Tap on this button to begin setting up your call. Now it's time to select or enter the contact information for the person you wish to call. If the individual is already saved in your contacts, you can easily select them from the convenient list that appears. Alternatively, you can type in the name, phone number, or even their email address directly into the search bar. This feature is quite handy if you have numerous contacts or if you're trying to connect with someone new. Once you've selected the contact, it's time to initiate the FaceTime call. To do this, tap on the video camera icon that should be clearly visible on your screen. This action will send a call request to the recipient, inviting them to join you for a video chat. It's as simple as that, but let's talk through what happens next to make sure everything is crystal clear. Once your call is sent, the person on the other end will receive a notification. It's similar to receiving a regular call, but instead it's an invitation to a video chat. Only when the recipient accepts the invitation will your screens connect and you'll be able to see each other face to face. This means there might be a little waiting time if the person takes a moment to join, but rest assured that once they accept, you'll be connected seamlessly. And there you have it, you're successfully making a FaceTime video call. Just keep in mind that both parties will need a reliable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi for the best quality video and audio. Now you're ready to catch up with loved ones or conduct meetings right from the comfort of your own device, no matter where you are. FaceTime calls are an excellent way to stay connected, offering a personal touch that standard phone calls simply can't achieve. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tech tip videos. To keep enhancing your iPhone experience, have a great day.